try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Said by a man none other than Albert Einstein. A man who is known to almost every educated person on planet. Interestingly, once he wrote, "If I were not a physicist, I would probably be a musician. I see my life in terms of music." He enjoyed music, playing the violin from the age of 5 and later performing in professional orchestras. It seems he was a late bloomer. Having moved to Switzerland in 1895, he failed the entrance exam for a local polytechnic later that year.
More interestingly, he turned down the chance to become president of Israel in 1952. Albert Einstein had expressed his interest in the profession of plumber and was made an honorary member of the Plumbers and Steamfitters Union. Einstein's intellectual achievements and originality have made the word Einstein synonymous with genius. For unknown reason, this genius really didn't like socks, and usually didn't wear them.
Do you know that, not long after Einstein moved to the US, FBI agents began spying on him? Fearing that the left-wing, pacifist, intellectual Einstein could be some kind of threat to the establishment or even a Soviet spy. Hoover had the FBI listen in on his phone calls, go through his mail, and even root around in his trash on and off for more than 2 decades. That is something unusual but interesting.
Many curious researchers have examined Einstein's brain since his death, uncovering many curious, if ultimately specious, findings. However, one study did find that Einstein's parietal lobe, the region responsible for mathematical thought, visuospatial cognition, and imagery of movement, was 15% larger than the average person's. After Einstein died, the pathologist who did his autopsy took his brain without permission. He eventually got the permission necessary from Einstein's son, but he was fired from Princeton when he refused to turn the brain over. He kept it for over 40 years before finally returning it in 1998.
German-born theoretical physicist developed the general theory of relativity, one of the 2 pillars of modern physics. The world's most famous equation E is equal to mc² was given by this great brain. In his scientific career, he did work on various areas including thermodynamic fluctuations and statistical physics. Theory of relativity, photons and energy quanta, quantized atomic vibrations, wave-particle duality etc. Last year, in 2016, one of his prediction about gravitational waves ripples in the curvature of space-time which propagate as waves, traveling outward from the source, transporting energy as gravitational radiation has been confirmed by researchers. This is exactly 100 years after his prediction.
There are a lot of interesting quotes from this genius apart from theoretical science. Few of them are here, exclusively for you. We are sure you will enjoy this.
Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better.
The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination.
Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters.
Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school.
Science without religion is lame, religion without science is blind.
Hope you enjoy this journey. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel Viral Cabinet. We are signing out, goodbye.